Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check all of your comments history on Facebook application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, you'll have to head over to the Facebook application and then tap on three lines on the bottom right. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy and then tap on settings. Now it will take you to this page. Now all you'll have to do is to scroll down until you find activity log. Once you have found it, tap on activity log right here in your activity section. Tap on it and it will take you to this page where it will show you a lot of things like video searched, show story activity, public tags and anything, everything like that. Now you'll have to tap on your activity across Facebook, and right here you'll find an option of comments and reactions. Tap on manage comments and reactions, and right here you'll be able to find all the comments that you commented, all the posts that you commented on, and all the reactions. You can easily find all the comments on this page. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video,